My name is Nicholas Alexander. I'm the head bartender at Writer's Bar, located at the iconic Raffles Hotel Singapore on Beach Road. Lyre's is a fantastic range of non-alcoholic spirits. It provides a great versatility that promotes inclusiveness at the bar. The cocktail we'll be making today will be the Slip Straight, named after the geological event that created the Malaysian basin. Lyre's White Cane was an obvious choice because it goes so well with soursop and calamansi, all of which grow indigenously in Asia. The Slip Straight is an English milk punch. So we start with milk and bring it up to a boil. We then incorporate it to soursop and calamansi juice as well as green tea. That then breaks the curds from the whey and we strain it over the curds. The curds work like a filter and eventually we end up with something crystal clear. We then finish it with Lyre's White Cane. Writer's Bar offers low and no alcohol cocktails so that regardless of who comes in and whether they're enjoying alcohol or not, they have a sophisticated option. We look forward to welcoming you to Writer's Bar at Raffles Hotel Singapore.